Hi, I'm Tracy Fitzgerald.
And I'm Mike Doyle.
And we're with Rustline Sotheby's International Realty. We're excited to introduce you to this absolutely stunning estate that spans over 12 acres in North Scottsdale. This home features over 9,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms including a full-on guest suite, 7 baths with the finest finishes and amenities throughout. We hope you enjoy the tour. For additional information or to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the numbers below.
Thank you for joining us on this tour.